Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Teams audio is not working. So first, make sure the correct speaker and microphone are selected in Teams. Open Teams, click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Now in here on the left side, select Devices. Under Audio, choose the correct speaker and microphone. Then use Make a Test Call to confirm if they're working. If the audio still doesn't work, check your computer sound system. So open your settings, then go to privacy and security, then scroll down to app permissions and select microphone. So make sure microphone access is enabled. So next, right click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select sound settings. Now ensure the correct output and input devices are selected. Also increase the volume and make sure nothing is muted. Next, open Microsoft Teams again and reload the page and see if that solves the problem. Now, if nothing works, you can sign out of Teams and sign back in, or you can restart your computer and check for Teams updates by clicking your profile picture in Teams and selecting Check for Updates. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.